Bosnia, a land of hidden beauty. Tucked away in the heart of southeastern Europe, Bosnia and Herzegovina is a country of breathtaking beauty. Often overlooked by tourists, Bosnia is a treasure trove of natural wonders, waiting to be discovered. From towering mountains and pristine lakes to verdant forests and cascading waterfalls, the country's landscapes are a feast for the eyes. Bosnia's turbulent history has left its mark, but amidst the remnants of the past, a spirit of resilience and warmth shines through. The people of Bosnia are known for their hospitality, eager to share their culture and stories with visitors. As you journey through this captivating land, you'll encounter charming villages, ancient ruins, and a way of life that has remained largely untouched by time. Get ready to be amazed by Bosnia's unspoiled beauty. This hidden gem of Europe promises an unforgettable adventure for those seeking to connect with nature, explore off-the-beaten-path destinations, and experience the true meaning of hospitality. So pack your bags, grab your hiking boots, and get ready to discover the magic of Bosnia, where every turn reveals a picture-perfect postcard moment. The majestic Dinaric Alps, a hiker's paradise. Dominating Bosnia's landscape are the Dinaric Alps, a majestic mountain range that stretches across 6 countries. These rugged peaks, carved by centuries of erosion, offer breathtaking views and unparalleled hiking opportunities. Imagine trekking through alpine meadows, the scent of wildflowers filling the air. Picture yourself standing atop a summit, gazing out at a panorama of jagged peaks stretching as far as the eye can see. The Dinaric Alps are home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna. Keep an eye out for chamois, wild goats that nimbly navigate the rocky slopes. You might even spot a brown bear, a symbol of the region's untamed wilderness. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a casual nature enthusiast, the Dinaric Alps offer a trail for every level. Lace up your boots, grab your backpack, and prepare to be awestruck by the raw beauty of Bosnia's mountain kingdom. Suceska National Park, where wilderness reigns supreme. Nestled within the Dinaric Alps lies Suceska National Park, a pristine wilderness that will transport you to a realm untouched by modern civilization. This protected area is a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Here, dense forests of pine, fir, and beech trees blanket the slopes, their branches reaching towards the sky. Crystal clear rivers and streams wind their way through the park, their waters teeming with trout and other aquatic life. Suceska is also home to Perusica, one of the last remaining primeval forests in Europe. Stepping into Perusica is like stepping back in time. Its towering trees, some over 60 meters tall, have stood for centuries, witnessing the ebb and flow of history. For a true challenge, hike to the summit of Maglik Mountain, the highest peak in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The panoramic views from the top are simply breathtaking, rewarding you for your efforts with an unforgettable vista. Una National Park Emerald Waters and Cascading Waterfalls. Prepare to be dazzled by the emerald green waters of Una National Park, a gem in western Bosnia. The Una River, from which the park takes its name, is a sight to behold, its crystal-clear waters cascading over travertine terraces and forming breathtaking waterfalls. One of the most impressive sights in the park is Strbaki Buk Waterfall. Here, the Una River plunges over 25 meters, creating a thunderous roar and a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's power. Rent a kayak or canoe and paddle along the tranquil stretches of the river, surrounded by lush vegetation and the sounds of birdsong. The Una River is also a popular spot for swimming, fishing, and simply relaxing by the water's edge. As you explore Una National Park, keep an eye out for the park's diverse wildlife. Otters, deer, and even wolves call this area home. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the abundance of bird species, including kingfishers, dippers, and gray wagtails. Section 5. Rakitnica Canyon. A thrilling adventure for the bold. For adrenaline junkies and adventure seekers, a visit to Rakitnica Canyon is a must. Carved by the Rakitnica River, this dramatic canyon is one of the deepest in Europe, its sheer cliffs plunging over 800 meters. The canyon offers a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking trails wind along the rim, providing breathtaking views of the chasm below. Rock climbers will find challenging routes on the canyon's vertical walls. For the truly adventurous, whitewater rafting on the Rakitnica River is an experience not to be missed. Brace yourself for an exhilarating ride through rapids and calm waters, surrounded by the towering cliffs of the canyon. As you navigate the challenges of Rakitnica Canyon, you'll be rewarded with a sense of accomplishment and awe-inspiring views that will stay with you long after you've left. Section 6. The enchanting lakes of Bosnia, mirrors of the sky. Bosnia is home to a myriad of lakes, each with its own unique charm. These tranquil bodies of water reflecting the sky like giant mirrors offer a sense of peace and serenity. Lake Prkosko is a true alpine gem, nestled amidst the peaks of the Vranica Mountains. Surrounded by dense forests and meadows carpeted in wildflowers, this idyllic lake is a paradise for hikers, nature lovers, and those seeking a tranquil escape. Lake Busko Blato, on the other hand, is a man-made lake with a fascinating history. Created by damming the Buska River, this vast lake is a popular spot for swimming, fishing, and boating. The surrounding hills offer stunning panoramic views of the lake and its surroundings. Whether you prefer to relax on the shores, take a refreshing dip in the cool waters, or explore the surrounding landscapes, Bosnia's lakes offer a peaceful retreat and a chance to reconnect with nature. Section 7. Exploring the Drina River Canyon, a scenic boat ride. Embark on a scenic boat ride through the Drina River Canyon and witness the beauty of eastern Bosnia unfold before your eyes. The Drina River, known for its emerald green waters, carves its way through the landscape, creating a dramatic canyon flanked by towering limestone cliffs. As you glide along the river, you'll be captivated by the ever-changing scenery. Lush forests cling to the canyon walls, their branches reaching towards the water. Picturesque villages perch precariously on the slopes, offering a glimpse into a slower pace of life. One of the highlights of the Drina River Canyon is the iconic House on the Rock. This small wooden structure, perched precariously on a rock in the middle of the river, has become a symbol of the region's resilience and the indomitable spirit of its people. The Drina River Canyon is also a haven for wildlife. Keep an eye out for herons, kingfishers, and other bird life that make their home along the riverbanks. The canyon's cliffs are home to numerous bird species, including the rare golden eagle. Section 8. Kravis Waterfalls, Nature's Own Water Park. Prepare to be awestruck by the cascading beauty of Kravis Waterfalls, one of Bosnia and Herzegovina's most stunning natural wonders. Located on the Trebizat River, Kravis is a series of waterfalls that cascade over 25 meters, creating a thunderous roar and a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's power. The waterfalls form a natural amphitheater, with lush vegetation framing the cascading waters. Take a refreshing dip in the cool, clear pools at the base of the falls, or simply relax on the nearby rocks and soak up the beauty of your surroundings. During the summer months, Kravis waterfalls are a popular spot for swimming, picnicking, and simply escaping the heat. The area is also home to several restaurants and cafes, where you can enjoy traditional Bosnian cuisine while admiring the views. A visit to Kravis Waterfalls is an unforgettable experience, a testament to the raw beauty and power of nature. Section 9. The Cultural Tapestry, Weaving Through History and Nature. Bosnia's scenic beauty is inextricably intertwined with its rich history and culture. As you explore the country's natural wonders, take the time to delve into its cultural tapestry, woven from centuries of diverse influences. Visit the ancient city of Mostar, its iconic stone bridge, a symbol of resilience and reconciliation. Explore the Ottoman-era architecture of Sarajevo, the country's vibrant capital. Discover medieval castles perched on hilltops, remnants of a bygone era. Engage with the local people, known for their warmth and hospitality. Sample traditional Bosnian cuisine, a delicious blend of Ottoman, Mediterranean, and Balkan flavors. Listen to the stories passed down through generations, tales that bring the country's past to life. By immersing yourself in Bosnia's cultural heritage, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the country's natural beauty and the resilience of its people. Section 10. Share your Bosnian adventures. Have you been fortunate enough to witness the breathtaking beauty of Bosnia and Herzegovina? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your favorite scenic spots, memorable moments, and any tips you have for fellow travelers. Let's create a community of Bosnia enthusiasts, sharing our love for this incredible country and inspiring others to discover its hidden gems. Section 11. Stay connected for more travel inspiration. Don't miss out on future travel adventures. Like this post and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, tips, and destination guides. Let's explore the world together, one adventure at a time.